Welcome to Science Spectacle, the place where we break down mind-blowing ideas about space, science, and the mysteries of the universe. Did you know that the moon is basically a barren wasteland? No atmosphere, no life, and extreme temperatures. It's just hanging out there, lifeless. But what if we could transform the moon into a second Earth? It sounds crazy, right? Stick around, because this wild idea could change everything we know about life in the universe. So, what exactly is terraforming the moon? In simple terms, it's the concept of changing the moon's environment to make it livable, just like Earth. Imagine replacing that dusty, grey landscape with lush forests, flowing rivers, and even bustling cities. Scientists and dreamers alike have long been fascinated by this idea. And today, we're going to explore how we could turn this fantasy into reality. All right, let's break down the massive challenges we'd face in transforming the moon. First up, no atmosphere. That's right, there's no air to breathe and no protection from harmful space radiation. Without an atmosphere, life as we know it just wouldn't survive. Next, the temperature extremes. On the moon, it gets boiling hot during the day and freezing cold at night. That kind of instability makes it almost impossible for life to thrive. And let's not forget gravity. The moon's gravity is only about 1/6 of Earth's. This could seriously mess with how humans and other life forms develop and function. In short, turning the moon into a second Earth, yeah, it's no small feat. But don't worry, human ingenuity knows no limits. Let's explore how we could actually do this. First, we'd need to create an atmosphere. This could involve releasing gases like nitrogen and oxygen to mimic Earth's air. Artificial atmosphere generators could be strategically placed across the surface to build and maintain it. Next up, water. We could tap into ice found in the moon's polar regions or even ship water from Earth to jumpstart the process. After all, water is essential for life. Once we have air and water, we'd need sustainable ecosystems. This might involve genetically modified plants that can survive low gravity and extreme conditions, and creating a food chain to support them. Picture it, a moon filled with greenery, wildlife, and even farms. How cool would that be? Now let's imagine the final result. A fully transformed moon. Picture forests stretching across the horizon, rivers and oceans shimmering in the sunlight. Cities rise filled with futuristic architecture where humans live, work, and thrive. The moon wouldn't just be a second Earth, it could become a launchpad for humanity's exploration of the cosmos. From there, we could set off on missions to Mars and beyond, paving the way for humans to become a multi-planetary species. The possibilities are endless. So transforming the moon into a second Earth would be an incredible feat. We'd have to overcome the lack of atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and low gravity. But with creative solutions and the power of human innovation, it's possible to imagine a future where the moon becomes a vibrant, living world. It's a vision that challenges what we know about life in the universe and opens the door to new possibilities for humanity's future. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the idea of terraforming the moon? Could it really become a second Earth, or is it just science fiction? Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.